Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to show you the guinea pig noises. And I'm doing this because a lot of people wonder, hey, what is my guinea pig saying? Is she happy? Is he sad? Hungry? And that is what a lot of people have been wondering. So I thought I'd make a video of what your guinea pig's saying. So the first one is a rumble, and a rumble is oh wait, never mind. Okay, it's actually a week. This is a actual guinea pig weeking. This means he's hungry. That is a very, very common noise that you'll hear from your guinea pig. This is a rumble, and this happens when a male guinea pig is trying to romance a female, and this is what it sounds like. So it almost sounds like he's purring almost, but it sounds a lot like a guinea pig purr, but it's actually a rumble. The next one is a purr, and it's a little different from the rumble. And this can happen when you're stroking him or petting him or just cuddling with him, with your guinea pig. Okay. And this is a shriek. This is when they're maybe their cage mate has to go somewhere for a little bit, and they're it's like their little alarm call, I guess you could say. And this is called their shriek. Also a very common guinea pig noise. The next one is a chut. This means like they're happy, like they're kind of walking around in a large area, and they're just free, I guess. And so basically happy somewhat. Okay, and here is whining, and this is when they're just complaining about something, whining, of course. This is what it sounds like. That was a whine. And this is kind of like a noise that they make when they're annoyed. There's really no name for it, it's just when they're annoyed. I've heard my guinea pigs sometimes make those noises. Okay, this is teeth chattering. This is when they're telling basically to kind of back off, just let me be alone and stuff. So here's a chatter. Very, very hard to hear. I'm sorry about that, but best I could. This is a chirp. I have to go to a different page for you to hear this. And this basically sounds like a bird. So this is what it sounds like. Here's another. Okay, so those are all of the guinea pig noises, and yeah, the chirping is a very rare noise. You most likely won't hear your guinea pig say that. So, oh my gosh, I'm sorry my hair is a complete mess. Anyway, I hope I helped you guys with your guinea pig problems, and subscribe to my channel, watch some other vids to help you, and check out my Q&A video. You can ask a question, I will surely answer them. So yeah, I already said that. I repeat myself a lot. Oh well, that's just me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and just check back for new videos that may answer some of your questions. I'll have a lot of how-to videos, so bye guys, love you.